In this video, we are going to show you how to set up lookup relationship fields in Zendesk. Now, if you want to do this, it's quite simple. Log into your account, and once you are in your dashboard, look to your left-hand side. It's going to be support. There's going to be a drop-down icon right here. Click on it. This pop-up will appear. Click on the very bottom that says Admin Center. This will open a new tab, so wait for it to load. All right. Once it's loaded, you want to click on objects and rules like so. This will appear. So under tickets, we are by default under tickets. You want to click on fields. Now, once you are in your fields, you want to look at your right hand side over here. This blue button here that says add field, click on that. It's going to bring you to add field option. So here you want to select the field. You want to select on lookup relationship like so. And here add a display name, description, required to solve a ticket if you want, and then agents can edit and then select a related object, whether it's organization, ticket, or user, and then click save, and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.